Hello everyone, welcome to Byte Technical channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to assign IP address in Windows using CMD. To assign an IP address using the command prompt, open the command prompt as administrator. Type the following command to view the available network interfaces on your system. Identify interface for which you want to assign the IP address. Now, use the following command to set the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for the selected interface.